Hey everybody, it's Dave from Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how to make super easy courses like this for your workplace training.
Our home health aid training program.
Super simple, no skills needed, right? So here I am at trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm in Create, and I want to do, say, onboarding. And I'm just going to use text for my data source, right? So we'll do home health aid training, right? So we're going to onboard our new home health aides. We're going to say use this data, and now we get to pick a kind of sample that's going to give us back 6 templates to use, right? So we're going to click on this one right here, and we'll just wait for our samples. So we're going to get a custom presenter that should be relevant to the industry that we're looking for. So home health aides should give us something in healthcare. We're going to get 6 different templates of backgrounds and fonts. We're going to select one, and then we're going to do a little bit more personalization and customize a little bit more to get us about 85-90% of our desired outcome. And then we're going to preview the course, and we'll generate some slides. Next, you can export it to PowerPoint or SCORM, or you could just use it in our own in-house LMS, right? Then you don't have to export the files, but you can if you want to. You can also create more quizzes, knowledge checks, several different things. So here's our samples coming. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got some presenters and we got some backgrounds. This actually looks pretty good, so we'll just go with this one. And it's still going to give us a few random presenters in healthcare, which will work fine for us, right? And it's going to create an interactive quiz, which is multiple choice. And we could translate it 30 different languages. So let's see what our final result is, and preview it and then customize it just a little bit more, right? All right, let's see what we got. Here's our course here. We're gonna click on it, and here's our slides. So this looks pretty good. Our presenters actually look pretty good too. We're just gonna edit this one a little bit, bring it down, bring this font up, maybe bring her right here. You can just do a little preview of it.
Hello, I am here to create your workforce.
So that looks pretty good. And this looks kind of good. We just want to let this presenter down just a little bit. And even just with these changes right here, we could preview our entire course, right? So we click preview right here. We'll go to a nice preview of how our course looks.
Hello, I am here to create your...
So that looks pretty good, right? You can just preview all of it exactly how
Hello,
it looks.
I am here to create...
How all your learners will learn it, right? So you can see all the titles, all the video scripts, perfect, just like that. And even if we just edit it, say we want to move this slide right there, even if we refresh the preview course, you can see it actually moves all the slides in that direction, right? Of course, you could translate this 30 different languages. Let's say if we just translated it all into Spanish, all the slides are in Spanish now, all the video scripts are in actual Spanish now, right? So if we just preview the course again, you can see that's all in Spanish, video scripts and everything, and the slides. So you'd want to kind of edit this slide a little bit more like that. And then let's also just edit the script a little bit. Maybe we'll just make it just a little bit shorter for the demo. And let's go ahead and generate a preview of this slide, right? We'll click yes for the captions. And now this may take a minute or so. It's going to generate a nice preview for us. And it's going to be in Spanish, and it's going to also include captions. And then we'll just preview what that looks like after it, right? So let's see what we get at the end of this. All right, our video is created. Let's take a preview of it.
Hola y bienvenido a nuestro programa de capacitación para asistentes de atención médica a domicilio. Estamos muy emocionados de que se una a nosotros.
So that looks good. You can even still edit the position of the presenter, the text. You can always add stuff to the slide. You can still edit it after the preview has been made, right? So now if we even go back to preview our course, right? So let's click on preview again. And here's our course right here.
Hola y bienvenido a nuestro programa de capacitación para asistentes de atención médica.
Now, if you want to use these slides in like a PowerPoint or SCORM, like I said, exporting it into even a slideshow, all you have to do is click on the slide, and we're going to create our final slide right here. And this may just take a minute or so. And you don't want to leave this tab while it's recording and rendering your slide, but after that you can get out of it and you'll get an email when it's actually done. So let's just give this a minute. We're going to actually wait for our final video to be done, and then we'll show you how to export that. Here we go. Here's our final video. Let's check it out.
Hola y bienvenido a nuestro programa de capacitación para asistentes de atención.
So that looks great. That only took a minute, right? Now what we can do is export this actual slide into a PowerPoint presentation. So now you can just create more slides, create a whole PowerPoint presentation, export them all out, use them in SCORM, use them in PowerPoint, however else you want to use them. You can use this multiple choice quiz in a SCORM file. It doesn't show up in the PowerPoint, but that's all you need. So thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you build with Train Day, and I'll see you next time.